All right, request.
Request.
Doug Bauman.
And?
Jamie Polinski seconded it.
Sure did.
CCR, have you ever seen The Rain?
Yeah, I think this is going to be our last song of the night.
We might do more, but...
We'll play more, but I don't know that we're recording anymore.
Well, we might record them. I don't know if we'll post anymore because it's getting sloppy.
Sloppy.
All right.
That's a little crazy. There's like 5 words to the song.
All right, here we go.
I need the lyrics. Okay. Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot. I know, been that way for all my time. And forever on it goes, through the circle fast.